In this video, I'm going to show you how to download historical data in MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left here, and you want to click on this dollar sign to actually open up the symbols, and then you want to select the symbol for which you want to download historical data. So I have BTC USD over here. I'm just going to select this, and I'm going to go to bars up top, and then over here again, you can select your symbol you want. Again, you can choose whatever you want here from the symbols that are available to you right now. And then from here, you can go to bars or ticks. I'm just going to go to bars right now, but it works a pretty similar way. And then here you want to select, of course, the time. So I'm just going to go M1 over here. So of course, you could do whatever you want here. These are minutes, these are hours, and then you have daily, weekly, or monthly. I'm going to do 1 minute, and then you can select your date. So I'm just going to go 2020 over here, and I'm going to go from the 15th of June 2020 to today, which is the 15th of June 2026. Now that's 6 years. That's cool for me. Of course, you can change it if you wanna. You can click on the arrow and go back if you want to as well, and then click on request. Now it's gonna give you, of course, all of these over here. So it's gonna give you all of the bars, and then you can scroll through, of course, if you want to, and then here you can see the export bars button. So you can just go and click on export bars, and there we go. We can basically export this as a CSV or HTML file. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.